Is that? Look at this super cactus. Super. Look at this herd of nature walkers. They're all very experienced. You can tell by the way that they walk in the nature. Look at this one. Trail mix or rock.
Now this is super special. Take a look over there what we found. A camper. Now, let's see if they'll let us inside. Look at this. Now this is really, oh, don't put your knee down there. It's kind of spiky. This is really cool. If you want to get a close-up of that, you'll see that I just poked myself with that cactus and it hurts quite a bit actually. So, it has these pokey things. Oh, well that's an animal. Look at that! What is that thing? I'm actually just gonna come over here. They said no! They said no! We've got us over here some deer. I believe the scientific name for these deer is Bambi. They are just so super, but you have to be quiet or they'll run away. Hi. So what we have here is a flower. Now the interesting thing about these flowers, we know that the earth is a woman because of the flowers. That's why we call her Mother Nature instead of Father Nature. But she can't have babies. You guys. Right here, what we call super nature walkers. Let's get a closer look. Socks. You could really hide behind some of this stuff. If a creature were coming after you, and wanted to maybe eat you in the head. Grace. Seen it. Foxes. Trees. People. Super. Look at that rock. What we have here is a bird. You know, I think it's actually two birds. You can tell they're birds by the way they are. Let's watch them exist. I can't whistle, but that's about what they sound like. Super. We're going to take a moment of silence and just explore our minds. Now let me tell you why this rock is here. Some people don't know why it's called Enchanted Rock. I, for one, have a couple of theories. A. I want you to think about that for just a second. Now look at this! This is what we call a lip rock. It's very important to know the proper techniques while you're climbing rocks in nature. So you've got to make sure first that you've got the proper footwear. I've got these shoes here and they are sandals, which you think may not be good, but they are very fantastic. They're grippy and tight. Okay, so proper footwear. Check. All right. Now, as you're walking through the rocks, make sure when you see these tall ones like this, you've got to step up, okay? Because otherwise, you know, you don't want that to happen, okay? So you got to walk properly, make sure you're looking where you're going. You see stuff like this and you stop and you make sure, is this dangerous? Is this going to harm me? I think it's okay. Keep going, keep going. Don't let things like that stop you, okay? Now, sometimes you have to jump. You may not be as experienced as me, but you can do it. Oh, look, what am I supposed to do? Step up, okay? Now, just keep going, step up. Guys, guess what? We've reached the zenith! Look at this super body of water. Lots of things to say about that. Okay, now we've got something super special. I want you to take a look. I think it's a piece of tape. How super is that?